Okay, so 2 days ago I made a video of me unboxing and giving my first impressions on the Tecware Phantom 87 keyboard. Now in that video I said that I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to change the RGB, because I've actually looked on YouTube and there's not many videos showing that this keyboard actually has a software, and that this software just makes it much easier to change the RGB. So that's what I'm gonna do in this video. I'm gonna show you how to get the software and then I'm gonna show you how to configure it. Okay, so this video is strictly for the Phantom 87 keyboard. I'm sure that for other Tecware keyboards there are different softwares, but for this video we'll just focus on the Phantom 87. Now what you need to do is go on tecware.co. I will hopefully have a link in the description of the video. You just go on the Tecware website and go on peripherals. You just go on the Phantom RGB mechanical keyboard. Now there are 4 different softwares. There are 2 for the TKL versions and there are 2 for the full keyboard versions. So depending on which one you have, you're going to have to download one of these 4. In my case, I'm in the UK, so I downloaded this version right here, the Phantom UK 88 key. Download it, you unzip the file, and then yeah, you get the Phantom folder, and then you just press this. It's very straightforward to download this. Now because I have the software already, it's showing me this screen if I want to modify, repair, or remove it. But for you, if you don't have it installed, it will show a different one. And I'm pretty sure you know how to download the program. It's basically just next, and then finish. Alright, now when you have it opened, this is what you'll have. Now of course I have the profile one, which shows my WASD and arrow keys. Well, we'll go with this. You'll basically have this screen, and from here you can customize everything. So now if you press a key, let's press the E key. You can assign a different key if you want to. I'm not sure why you would want to. It'll be a bit confusing. A macro and a function. I'm not going to go into any of these. This is just strictly for the RGB. The part that we actually need is this part up here. LED editing mode. When you open the software, it'll be on disabled. All you need to do is press enable. From here, you can change the brightness if you want to. Now you can have it dark all the way off, and then dim, and then a bit lighter. So yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory, to be honest. You just change the brightness. Speed is up to you, really. And of course, you can change the direction, which I haven't really done before. Yeah, it's simple. Instead of it's going left to right, now it's going right to left. And now for the main part, this. You have, I don't know how many, but there are a lot of different presets, RGB presets. You have the horizontal wave, the pulse wave, hurricane. I'm not going to go through all of them because I'll be here all day. Not all day, but you know, for longer than needed. The only part that we're interested in is custom over here. When you choose this, it will automatically choose the first 5 number keys, WASD and R, for some reason, I don't really know. And then there are different presets here, MMO, MOBA, MOBA, and then RTS. I don't really know RTS, I don't know what that is, but we'll go on FPS because we're going to change all of this. Now here you have the highlight tool, which will basically let you highlight any key. You can see when I press one of them, it's highlighted on the keyboard. And then we have the eraser tool, which will basically erase. So as you can see, when I click on them, everything is just erased. Okay, so right here you have the highlight color and the base color. The base color will basically set all keys to that one color, and with the highlight color you can select whatever key you want and it will change to that color. So we'll do the WASD, and then we'll just do random colors. You can also do this with different colors, so you have yellow here and then cyan. You can basically change the whole keyboard to however you want it. And because this is RGB, you can go to more colors. You can basically have an unlimited amount of colors. So I don't really know what this color is. We'll try it, we'll put it here. And then of course, if you want to delete them, just go to the eraser tool, and when you click on them, it will change back to the base color. So that's pretty good. Alright, there's not really much else to say. I don't want to make this video too long of me just waffling about stuff. So this is how you change the different keys. You can change the colors, you can change the base color. Look, you can just do this and then it all changes except for the ones that you've selected. You also have a lot of different modes. You can go here, reactive single. What this basically does is when you press a key, it will light up, as you can see here. And then you have reactive ripple, which when you press a key, it will ripple like this. I don't really like this because it's just a bit distracting, really. You're never going to use this unless you're demonstrating something. Waterfall is water falling, I guess. Sine wave. And of course, if you want just one color, just uncheck the multicolor one. You'll just have the effect, but with just one color. So you can change it. You can have red. So yeah, the effects are really cool. I like them. But to be realistic, I'm only going to use one effect, which is the custom one. It's good to know that you have the options. So yeah, this is going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you learned something, don't forget to like, subscribe. If you have any more questions about the keyboard, you can ask me in the comments and I will try to reply as soon as possible. Other than that, have a good day and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.